Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. How to fix when Facebook Messenger isn't sending messages. Why is Facebook Messenger not sending messages? Facebook Messenger not sending messages properly can be the result of a number of factors. So in this video I will show you few steps, hope this problem will be resolved. Step 1. Restart your device. A quick restart can fix a number of app and system issues. So this is the first step to fix this issue. Step 2. Check your internet connection properly working or not. The easiest way to do this is to open a website other than Facebook in a web browser or check an app that requires an internet connection. Step 3. Go to phone settings. And then go to app list according to your device settings. Find out Messenger. After finding, tap on it. And clear the storage data. After clearing the storage data, go to Play Store. And update the app if have available. Step 4. Simply uninstall the Messenger, and again install it. Step 5. This is the last step to fix this issue if none of them not working. For that, open Messenger and log in your account. Go Messenger settings. Go to Help. Click on 3-line. Click on Account Management. Click on Fix a Problem. Select Limits to sending messages. Click on No option. Select Other. Here describe your problem, or you can copy my text from video description if you want. After describe the problem, click on Submit. The Facebook team will resolve the issue within 24 hours. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to get more update video, please hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications icon.